Hi, this is Joe Liu, and I'm a founder of the joeliu.com. I'm passionate about the health. Here is a quick question. Have you ever experienced acne, pimple, scar on your face, and you don't like to talk to people face to face, and you have no confidence? Have you ever experienced the dryness, dullness, and discoloration on your face, and you want to improve? Have you ever experienced sagging, wrinkles, and photo damage on your face, and you want to change as well? Have you ever experienced sensitive skin on your face and cannot find a skin product in the market? Do you know that every day we have a skin challenge from our environment? Extrinsic, such as dust, oil, sunlight, temperature. Intrinsic, it's aging. In this video, I'm going to share with you the skincare in less than 5 minutes, and you will get confidence in 30 days. Here's my favorite products I'm currently using. It is Usana Celavint. The benefit of the products, it fits all the skin types. It is a natural ingredient, no preservative, and moisturized and slow aging. The product region is clean, tone, and treat, and moisturized. The cleanser is clean, remove the dirt, oil, exfoliating and skin. The toner is purify your complexion and the balance moisture and pH level. The Vitalizing Serum is put a nutrient on your skin. It's start the skin renew process. Moisturize is protect you day and night. So now I'm going to show you how does it work in less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So this first is the cleanser. So I just do half of it. You will see how does it look like. So in the morning I don't have clean at all. So I just do the cleanser, put a little bit on my face. Okay, then I dip the warm water, and I just massage on my face, on my one side. Very quick. And you can clean on your under the neck. So now you use the water to clean up. Then use the towel to remove the left moisture on your face. So now it looks clean. Now we put the toner. So next we put eye essence on around your eye. Is remove the wrinkle around your eye. Then next we will put the Vitalizing Serum. And you put on here, dip and dip and dip. Then we do it quickly to spread on the whole skin and nose. So the last one is for the day, is put the protect. Protection for the daytime sunlight. At night you can use, there's another one to replenish on your face. So I can do a little bit closer, you can see. So that's it. That is how it looks like. See the face two side, and this one side, and this one is I don't have any things at all. It's dry and darkness. Now this side is a little bit shining and protect. So this is one side. So you can see the difference on your face, on my face. Okay, yeah, so this is, I finished the demo. If you like this video, please share with your friend, like my Facebook page, and leave comment with your thought below. And want more product information, please message me. Thanks for watching and have a healthy life every day. Goodbye.